Hello everyone. Applying embellishment. Some some people have been known to decorate their nails using different kind of embellishment. This decoration can be anything from glitter, bead, feather, stone of or flowers, and are legged on the surface of the nails. Prevision or a semi-prevision embellishment can be made use of. Tiny stickers are also available. Such can be a creativity utilized to make attractive designs on one nails. Nail art can also be a combination of point and a various kind of point decoration. Point and sticker, point and glitter, and point and stone are some of the most popular combination. Nails praising in another form of nails art that is very popular in today's time. It's referred to the act of praising the nails in a fashion similar to the praising of any other body part and wearing a piece of jewelry in it. Usually, small ring and other miniature pieces of jewelry are referred for use in our nails. Praising wearing is a popular fad in India in two time. Using acrylic nails is a perfect way of the making one nails appear longer and more beautiful. Artificial nail made of acrylic material are stuck on the natural nails of a person, giving it a longer appearance. These nails can be smoothed and give brush of a polish, which make it look extremely natural. Acrylic nails inherit the flow of the nature nails of